Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're gonna be discussing about the Wells Fargo Flex Loan. So Wells Fargo introduces the Flex Loan on 16th November 2022. So what they are saying is Flex Loan is accessible through a seamless and easy experience within the Wells Fargo mobile application. So you cannot get it on web application. For that, you need to be a valid customer for at least 12 months, and you should have a good credit score. So after that, you need to go to your mobile application and you will see the flex loan option over there, and you can simply apply there. But let me tell you what is flex loan and who people it is available. Flex loan is available to eligible customers in amounts of either $250 or $500 for a flat fee of $12 or $20 respectively. So eligible customers will see the offer in their mobile application once a customer accepts the loan and set up their repayment plan payable in 4 equally month installments, and the funds are deposited into the Wells Fargo account within seconds, allowing them to use their Wells Fargo debit card to make purchase or payment immediately. There's no application, hidden fees, late charges, or interest charges. So let's see what are some pros and cons for the Wells Fargo Flex loan. So the pros are charges are flat fee or for small loans of $250 and $500, no hard credit check. The cons are that you should be an existing bank customer for at least 1 year. Comes in only two loan amounts, only one repayment term available. So let's read about the reviews for the Wells Fargo Flex loan. So people have rated it 4.9 out of 5, which is an incredibly good for review rating. So that must be a good sign that you guys can actually get the Wells Fargo Flex loan within seconds, and you can repay it in four simple installment with the fee of $12 to $14 $12 to $20 my bad respectively. So that's how it is. So I hope you'll find the video helpful. If you do, please like and subscribe this channel. Take care. Bye bye.